Hello everyone, I'm Ashlee and today I've got Neewer's dimmable bi-color NL1320 LED light. In this video I'm going to explain how to use this fantastic product from Neewer and show you some tips on how to get the best use. Let's begin by unboxing the product. Please ensure that you have everything before getting started. This includes the carry case, the LED panel, the bullhead, the power adapter and the manual. If you've got everything, you're good to go. There are many different parts of the LED light, so let's quickly go through them all for easier recognition. On the front we have all of the LED bulbs, which has a width of 45 centimeters and a height of 20 centimeters. On the back there are three different sections: the battery holder, the 360-degree bullhead holder, and the function control unit. Within the function control unit there are two adjustment dials which control the warm and cold brightness. There's a 12-volt DC input, an off and on button, and a power indicator light. And that's pretty much it. It's a nice and simple design. Next, let's quickly dive into what this product has to offer. To start with, it's made out of a premium metal which ensures durability, and because of its ultra slim design it only weighs 2.1 kilograms. As in the product name, it has 660 white LED bulbs and 660 yellow LED bulbs, which means that you can adjust to any temperature to your needs using the adjustment dials. You can also easily power this product using a V-mount battery for on-the-go shoots. Lastly, it comes with a very handy softening diffuser, which helps with softening the LED bulbs, creating a much better and smoother skin tone. Right, let's begin setting this up. Firstly, let's install this product to a light stand. The safest way to do this is to attach the bullhead to the LED panel first. Simply slide the bullhead in the middle in a downward motion. There is also a printed arrow for guidance. Once you've slotted it in, simply twist the wheel at the top to tighten. You can now easily slot the bottom of the bullhead to the top of the light stand. And when you've done that, simply use the knob to tighten. The other knob located on the bullhead itself allows you to loosen and tighten the whole panel at an angle of your choice, like so. Installing the battery is really simple. All you have to do is slide it into the back until you hear a click to confirm that it's secure. Lastly, the diffuser. To install this, simply slide the diffuser in between the top and bottom slots until it's snug. On both sides of the panel you will notice small metal clasps which will secure this into place. Simply pull the clasp in an outward motion and it will pop out to secure the diffuser. Now let's talk more about the function control unit. To start, let's switch the product on by using the power button. As you can see, there are two separate directions depending on the power source. In my case I'm using a battery, so I'm going to switch it to the left side to turn it on. Now let's turn our attention to the temperature and brightness dials. Changing from a cold setting to a warm setting has never been easier. For example, if I want a bright warm light, then I would turn the white dial to 0% and the yellow dial to 100%. To turn down the brightness of my warm tone, all I need to do is turn the yellow dial to 50%. Thanks for watching the video and I hope this video has helped you. So what are you waiting for? Become a professional today with Neewer's dimmable bi-color NL1320 LED light.